I think that the technology for budget gaming earbuds is pretty stable now, and most companies who set out to design gaming earbuds for the mass market have a pretty solid offering. Today we're taking a look at BlitzWolf's new gaming earbuds, and this is, from my very first impression and testing, is stacking up to be a very promising budget gaming earbuds. So will they be any good? Welcome to a review of the BlitzWolf BW-FLB 2. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the BlitzWolf BW-FLB 2. Today's earbuds is sent over to me for review by Banggood, and for those of you who do not know, Banggood is a platform where you can go and search for anything you can think of under the sun, and although they have sent me these earbuds, I will still be providing my honest opinion so you know what you're getting into before buying these earbuds. These earbuds retails for about 100 Malaysia ringgit, and that's about 35 US. We're happy to see earbuds that perform well at this price point, so if you're interested in getting these earbuds, do check out some of my links in the description below, and it'll definitely help out the channel a lot. I am sometimes very apprehensive when it comes to budget earbuds, although things have been looking good for the past year and budget earbuds are starting to get better and better. And today we're in luck because we're going to take a look at a budget option that actually does what it intends to do. I'm not sure why companies don't want to give their products better name, because this earbuds is super hard to remember, BW-FLB2, and when it's hard to remember, people tend to forget about them. So hopefully newer models from BlitzWolf would come up with better names. This earbuds is what BlitzWolf market as gaming earbuds, and although it looks like your typical TWS case and earbuds, they do have some design cue that gives that away. At the top of the case you get the Wolf branding. Not sure if this is their new logo, but I thought their logo was pretty much a paw and a thunder or something like that. And at the side of the case you get a USB Type-C charging port, and I'm super glad that they've included a modern port for these earbuds and did not cheap out and go with a micro USB. And at the front of the case you get 4 LED indicators that tell you the amount of battery you have left inside your case. Okay, the design of the lid kind of sits underneath the case itself, so it's a little bit hard to open, but you have to put your fingernail inside this small latch here, and then you can flip it open. And once you open it, the lid does stay open when you tilt it around, and that's pretty nice. So once you open the lid, the earbuds immediately turn on and pair to your phone. The earbuds themselves are pretty large and reminds me a lot of the Edifier Hackerty GM4, and you get a light up BlitzWolf logo where the touch sensor is, and the color of the LED tells you what mode you're in. Green means normal mode and orange means gaming mode. The stem of the earbuds is made of this simple black plastic, and from experience I know that this kind of plastic don't scratch easily, which is really good. And at the front you get a very typical in-ear style earbuds with the left and right indicator embossed in them, and the earbuds have a pretty solid build to it and don't feel light or cheap, which is a plus point for an earbuds at this price point. So BlitzWolf rate these earbuds at a measly 4 hours of playtime at a moderate volume, and doesn't quite say how many hours the case actually provides. But doing some quick math with the battery milliamp hour, this case will give you about 10 additional charges for both the earbuds and a total of 40 hours of playback time. There are no quick charging features in these earbuds, and they take about 1.5 hours to fully charge. There are no fancy features on these earbuds, but mimics the spec more of a 2020 earbuds with a simple Bluetooth 5.0 that gives you support for AAC and SBC audio codec. The BlitzWolf also comes with an IPX4 water resistant rating, not very high but good enough if you use them for sports or if you run under the rain. This should hold up pretty nicely. One good feature that BlitzWolf builds into these earbuds is the ability to use either side independently, and swapping them in and out of the case is super seamless and doesn't pause the music on the earbuds. So that's very impressive for budget earbuds. Lastly, there is no multi-point connectivity on these earbuds, so you can still connect them to multiple devices, just not at the same time. The sound signature of these earbuds is pretty impressive for its price, and I'm happily blown away with the performance that it produces such a powerful sound. I must say that these earbuds produce some super deep bass, and using it with my favorite bass test songs really show how aggressive and punchy these earbuds really is. However, that level of performance usually surfaces at about 50% of volume and above. Below that, the bass is still okay, still present, and doesn't disappear altogether. Mids highs are really good with these earbuds, giving you very clear performance across the range, and I feel the vocal kinda is pushed back a little bit on these earbuds, and they don't feel as clean when it comes to the vocals. Soundstage of these are decent, very typical for earbuds of this size, and generally gives you very clear separation across the range. Very impressive from BlitzWolf, and I've seen more expensive earbuds that don't produce a good quality sound like BlitzWolf. And in terms of call quality, the BlitzWolf is okay in quiet and noisy environment, and I start to hear a pattern in these earbuds. So when you suddenly go into a noisy environment, the noise cancellation in the earbud still needs some time to adjust and takes about 1 second, and it starts to detect that noisy environment, and it modulates the background noise and cuts most of it away. Really quite cool for a budget earbuds and to see how it works. Anyway, let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds.
So this is a test to see if the BlitzWolf BW-FLB2 is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below.
Latency performance is very properly controlled on these earbuds, and it manages it really well, with very good control for latency in YouTube and Netflix. Playing games in normal mode does present quite a noticeable delay, but once you put it into gaming mode, it basically removes any trail of latency. Anyway, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So this is a test to see whether or not these earphones actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone, and you should be able to tell. So here we go. If you see the hands not synchronized with the sound, then you will know that these earphones actually have a latency problem. The BlitzWolf again smashes the competition in the area of controls and provides you with all of the control you need for an earbud. I noticed that when controlling these earbuds, you have to cover almost all of the touch sensor to register, so I had problems controlling at first, but once I figured out my method, which is to use my thumbs, it works flawlessly. So to control the volume of these earbuds, tap once on either side of the earbuds and it will control the volume. So tap on the right side and it will increase the volume, and tap on the left side and it will decrease the volume. To play or pause media or pick up phone calls, tap twice on either side of the earbuds and it will play or pause your music. Very simple. To skip tracks forward, tap and hold on the right earbuds to skip forward, and to skip backwards, tap and hold on the left earbuds to skip backwards. To toggle between gaming mode and normal mode, tap 3 times on either side and it will toggle you between gaming mode and normal mode. So if you see it turn orange color like this, that means that it is in gaming mode. And if it turns green like this, it means that it is in normal mode. And lastly, to call out your assistant, tap 4 times on either side of the earbuds and it will pause your media and pull out your assistant. So this is yet another perfect execution from a budget brand. Overall, I'm really happy with these earbuds, and I think it proves to me that you don't really need to put down a lot of cash for a good pair of gaming earbuds. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.